Hey, good morning. So since being here at Truly Farm, we really wanted to find like a project that we could sort of like leave a difference. You know, that's the sort of thing with woofing, is that you're here for such a short period of time and we just want to make a difference when we are here.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we've sort of taken on is this barn.
Yeah.
Which is huge. It's where the horses' stables are, and it's very open, and there's a couple of tractors, and so there's not like we can't make like a massive difference, but we can make a really big dent in this stuff.
And we already have. The floor was covered in straw and now it's pretty much completely swept.
Bella's pretty much swept the whole floor.
I'm very proud.
And it's huge in here. And there's like little bits we can just tidy up. So this morning we're just gonna carry on with stuff like that. The thing that I'm working on is these rubber mats at their doors. So this is Charlie's stall, and she can get a bit eggy with the other horses. So to stop her from getting her legs through these bars, they've put rubber matting. This one I did yesterday, and it looks very neat and tidy. Very proud of it. It was more like this one. I mean, it was actually slightly worse than this one, where it's fallen down and then it drags on the floor when you're trying to open the gate. So I'm going to sort that one out. Bella's going to help me a bit with that because they're really heavy. And then we're just going to keep tidying because there's a lady coming later, Chris, and she has an idea, her and Ruth together, about having a little setup in the indoor arena of like a music session with the horses involved. So what she's doing today is coming and she's going to be playing the flute in here. So we're going to get them all in, and she'll play the flute just to sort of see how they react. And we're really excited to see that. It's a bit of
it's a strange thing.
It's a strange one
I'm
for
like,
us.
Totally for it.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really excited to see if they react and how they react if they do. But
I'm sure they will.
for now, we're going to get on and do some more tidying.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. I'll spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I was right to play my part.
So I got my sister to get my nephews to watch our latest video because the foal and the sheep were really cute and they were eating the camera. And she said, Louis liked Floppy, the sheep that was at his school, and the chickens. And Mason's favourite bit was when you were eating the apples.
Oh my God, he's so sweet.
Why is he so sweet? We have someone coming to pick asparagus this morning, so we've taken a break from the barn, and we're going to go pick with her.
Waiting game. Always waiting. Always watching. Wiskowski.
That's my mum's favourite film.
Tell me your partner has OCD without telling me your partner has OCD. I'll go first. She's getting rid of string on something that we're not going to be using or seeing.
I'll know it's there.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. I'll spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I was right to play my part. My lies memorized in my head.
Good boy. Good boy, Sid. Hi. Hi.
It's a good boy.
Oh, it's very dark, sorry.
It's raining, a classic Wales.
It's very much raining. So we just finished picking with the first people.
They were really sweet, weren't they?
Yeah.
There's a little
oh,
boy
little
called Henry. He was really, really sweet.
Running up and down, he had little Crocs on and it's so muddy out there.
He lost his Crocs twice.
But they were really sweet. And I think they were really happy with what they picked, so that's good.
Thank you.